ready for holiday parties? I know I am. We have a family Christmas party to go to tonight, and I'm going to be bringing some dips. And so I wanted to show you the dips that I'm going to take with us. The first one is a Jalapeno Copper Dip. The second one is a buffalo chicken wing dip. And the third one is a Spinach Rotel. So let's go ahead and let me show you how I make it. For the Jalapeno Copper Dip, you will need the recipe. I'm actually doubling the recipe, so I'm just going to tell you what I'm putting in it to double it. I use 4 blocks of cream cheese and 2 cups of mayonnaise. I'm going to add the mayonnaise to the cream cheese and mix it real good, and I'm going to blend it until it is smooth. Okay, now that it is blended smooth, I'm going to add 1 can of chopped green chilies, and they have been drained. And I'm also going to add 1 4-ounce can of the jalapeno peppers that are diced and drained. And I'm just going to stir that up until it's smooth and until it's well blended. Once it's blended really well, you're going to add it to a dish. Two of these 3 dips that I'm showing you, you actually can cook in the microwave. 2 of them you can cook in the crock pot, and one of them, which is this one, it's recommended to do it in the microwave. I wouldn't recommend putting this in a crock pot. I tried it one year and I don't know, it was too greasy. So anyway, I'm just gonna spread this. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 6 minutes. For this Spinach Rotel Dip, you're going to need 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, which I've already diced up and put into here just so it'll cook easier. Then you add 1 small block of Velveeta cheese, which again I have cut up into cubes. Just helps it cook quicker. You add a can of Rotel, and I didn't drain it. And then you add your spinach, and I dried this as good as I could. Now, all you do is you put it in the microwave and you stir it. I would say you start it off at like 3 minutes, but you want to stir it every, I would say, 30 to 45 seconds. Alright, for this buffalo chicken dip, you will need a 1 8-ounce, bar of cream cheese, and I've already kind of cubed it up. You will need 2 cups of shredded chicken, and I actually am using the rotisserie chicken from Walmart, and I shredded it up pretty fine. You are going to need, it calls for 1 cup or a half a cup of ranch and a half a cup of blue cheese crumbles, but I don't like blue cheese. Not a lot of people in my family do. So I put in a little extra ranch in here. And then it calls for half a cup of whatever hot sauce you like, and I actually like this Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in there. And you're gonna wanna mix it really well. Once you mix it, you put it in the dish that you're gonna cook it in, and you wanna bake it on 350 for about 20 minutes or until it kind of starts bubbling up. I forgot it also does call for a Monterey Jack and cheddar, so I'm just using this Colby Jack. And you want to get a couple of, like maybe 2 cups of the cheese. This is actually another one of those dishes that you can cook it a couple different ways. The recipe that I'm using calls for it to be baked on 350 for about 20 minutes, or you can go ahead and prepare it ahead of time and put it in a crock pot, and it will cook really well in a crock pot as well. Well, that's how I make these 3 dips. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made any of these 3 that I showed you today. But if you're new to my channel, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot that you took the time to watch one of my videos. And if you like what you saw and you like this kind of thing, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, click the bell button because it lets you know every time I upload a new video. Leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because that does help me out with YouTube. And with that being said, I hope you all have a great Christmas, a happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.